The cabbage with chicken salad with Chinese mayonnaise has been created by Western Chinese chefs. Everybody will love it, thanks to the crunchy of the cabbage and the sweetness of the sauce. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by cooking the chicken over medium heat in 1 liter of water with 1 teaspoon of salt for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the other ingredients. Finely mince the white cabbage. Grate the carrot. Finely slice the onion. Mince the spring onion. Do the same with the cilantro. The chicken has cooked for 20 minutes. Remove it and let it cool. Prepare the Chinese mayonnaise sauce. Put in a bowl 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. This vinegar has softer taste and it's less acid than classic white vinegar. Combine all together until getting a smooth sauce. Cut the chicken into slices. Now we can mix the salad. In a mixing bowl, put the white cabbage, the carrot, the bean sprouts, the spring onion, the onion and the cilantro. The mayonnaise sauce, mix all together. Finally add the chicken. Gently mix. The cabbage and chicken salad with Chinese mayonnaise is ready. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.